opening spell. Now we'll see the rules. So this we call it as the opening spell. We'll see the rules in a you have a maximum of 12 questions, 2 to each team. Each correct answer will fetch you 10 points. And if you don't know the answer, obviously it's passed. And a passed answer will fetch you 5 points. Is it clear? Any doubts, any questions? So, no questions. The scorers are there, keenly observing. And for you to answer a question, you get a maximum of 15 seconds. So, can we start? To Notre Dame, the first question. What is the name of the first of the series of Harry Potter movies? I want the name of the first series of Harry Potter movies. Passes to Glazebrook. I want the name of the first of Harry Potter movies. Sorcerer's Stone is incorrect. It passes to Holy Cross.
Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone.
Philosopher's Stone, 5 points to Holy Cross. A big round of applause. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, 5 points to Holy Cross, as it is a past answer. Now Glazebrook gets the question. Something from literature. Who is the author of the famous novel Adventures of Robinson Crusoe? Adventures of Robinson Crusoe. I want the name of the author. Question passes to Holy Cross.
Daniel Defoe.
Daniel Defoe again, Holy Cross, 5 points. 5 points to Holy Cross. Now we get a famous Arabic television channel, Al Jazeera, belongs to which country? The famous Arabic television channel, Al Jazeera, belongs to which country?
United Arab Emirates.
It is not UAE, it passes to Golden Gates. Not either. Green Park?
Yes.
It's not Iran either. Balabaldi.
Kuwait.
It's not Kuwait. It passed to Notre Dame.
Israel.
Israel. No, it's not. Finally to Glazebrook. You get the last possible option.
Turkey.
Turkey. Unfortunately not. It passes to the audience now. Audience get a chance to tell. We can tell one. Yes, the girl on here. Yes. It's not Pakistan. Anyone? Yes, that person on here. Yeah. Bahrain. No, it's not. Yes. Syria. It's not. Yes. It's not Egypt either. Yes, that girl here. Pardon? Indonesia. No, it's not Indonesia. Yeah, that's one boy over here. Yes. We can give a gift to that boy over here. Yes, it is Qatar. We get some very good CDs here, some educational CDs as audience prizes. Okay. So the first recipient of the audience prizes. May I know your name, please? Rimusen. Yes. Okay. Fine. Very good. A big round of applause. Good going. Okay. Something related to maths. It's represented by the Roman numeral DLV. The Roman numeral DLV is represented by which number?
150.
115. It's incorrect. Passes to Green Park.
555.
555. 555? What is the equivalent for 500? You just guessed it or you're just telling? No, you know the answer. A big round of applause to Green Park. 5 points. 555 is the correct answer. 5 points to Green Park. Now Green Park gets a chance. The fifth question, something related to current affairs. Who's the current speaker of the Lok Sabha?
Meera Kumar.
Yes?
Meera Kumar.
10 points. Green Park, 10 points. Good quizzing. Meera Kumar is the current speaker of the Lok Sabha. That comes to the halfway round to Balabardi. Your question. Which countries together are known as Scandinavian countries? Scandinavian countries. Now these are the countries which are in Europe. Okay? There are some countries, I can't mention the exact number. Which countries are together known as Scandinavian countries?
Germany and Spain.
Germany, Spain, I'm afraid it's not. It passes to Notre Dame. Which countries? Okay, passes to Glazebrook. Which are known as the Scandinavian countries? Passes to Holy Cross.
Norway, Sweden and Finland.
Norway, Sweden, and unfortunately it's not Finland. I can give you 5 points to Holy Cross, but it's actually Denmark. Okay, Finland is still not yet confirmed, but 5 points to Holy Cross. Yes, a big round of applause. They have told at least more than half correct. It's Denmark, Norway and Sweden. Okay, now we close. How many of you know Mother Teresa? You know, fine, that's good. So you know Mother Teresa, fine, but that is not my question. My question is, what is the actual country of birth of Mother Teresa?
Macedonia.
Macedonia, I'm afraid it's incorrect. Passes to, I think it goes here, so it passes to Green Park. It's not Macedonia. You can't take too much time because it's a past question.
Yugoslavia.
It's not Yugoslavia either. Golden Gates.
Slovakia.
Slovakia, no. France, no. We get all sorts of answers. Huh?
Italy.
Pardon?
Italy.
You can use a mic.
Italy.
You can use the mic.
Italy.
Italy, no, afraid not. Passes to the audience. Yes, one girl. Yes, that girl. Albania is correct. Yes, Albania is correct. We can give a gift to her. Albania is a correct answer from the audience. Good quizzing. How often? We know Mother Teresa has chosen a country of adoption as India, but actually her origin country of birth is Albania. Okay? Fine. What is unusual and probably unique about British postage stamps? There is something unique. We can start after my question finishes. The timing can start, the scorers. Something is unusual about the postage stamps from England or Britain. What is that? You can use the mic. You can use the mic. Something is different from other stamps. What is that?
It doesn't have its country's name in it.
It doesn't have its country's name in it. How on earth? Amazing quizzing. 10 points to Green Park. Absolute fantastic answer. British postage stamps don't have the country's name on its postage stamps. Good quizzing, Green Park. Very good quizzing. I don't know whether you know this, but he's an extremely popular person. Whose first names, I want the first name, okay? Whose first names is Kisan Babu Rao? Kisan Babu Rao is the first name of which famous person? Kisan Babu Rao is the first name of which famous personality? Of late he has been very famous. Yeah, your time is finished. Okay, passes to Holy Ansan Babu Rao Hazare, and they affectionately call him as Anna. Good quizzing, Holy Cross. 5 points to Holy Cross. Your question for you now. Okay, you watch movies, right? Steven Spielberg? Okay, there's a test for you. In Steven Spielberg films, by what name is Professor Henry Jones better known as? By what name Professor Henry Jones is better known as?
Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones. Amazing quizzing. Holy Cross. 10 points. Indiana Jones is the correct answer. You have a famous list of Indiana Jones, Last Crusader, Kingdom of Glazebrook. Something related to countries. Okay. You know UAE? United Arab Emirates. Okay. How many emirates are there in the UAE? Or how many counties collectively is formed as UAE? I want the number. Now UAE, there are certain cities or certain towns or whatever it is, certain places. I want the exact number. How many make up the United Arab Emirates? 52, my goodness. I don't think they have sufficient space for that. Notre Dame? 50. 2 less. Balabardi? 20. Golden Gates? Pass. Holy Cross? Pass. To the audience, yes, that one boy here, yes. 7. Can you name the 7? Yes? Yes? Okay, fine, 7 is the right answer. Good quizzing. He gets a special prize for telling the 7 Emirates. Okay? Again, a general knowledge book. You like history? No. Okay. Maybe we can ask your history teacher to help you out. Okay, fine. Here's your question. You know about the Second World War, right? And there were 2 atomic bombs dropped. Now, I'm not going to ask which city they were of. Okay? That is Hiroshima, Nagasaki, which is obviously known to everyone. I want the names of the two bombs which are dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki?
Little boy, fat man.
Can you please be a little louder?
Little boy, fat man.
Use your mic.
Little boy, fat man.
Little boy, fat man. You're talking about Laurel Hardy. Little boy and fat man is Laurel Hardy, right? Correct answer, yes, 10 points, Notre Dame. Little boy and fat man indeed is the names of the two. Okay, flags, I can get a very big chorus answer. Okay, which two countries in the world share the identical flag? There are two countries which share the identical flag. No color difference, no color mismatch. It's the same identical flag. Yes, that boy over here. Huh? India and Ireland. But India has a chakra in it, right? Ireland doesn't have a chakra. Yes, oh, the boy here. Russia and... No, the blue and green is on the top and bottom. Luxembourg, it's on blue on the top and red on the bottom. Yes. Ireland, Italy, again the green and orange are different. Yes, the boy over here. Armenia, New Zealand, no, the stars are different, 5 and 4. Yes, that girl over here. Yes, the girl over here, you can sit down, that girl. Australia again 5 stars, New Zealand 4 stars. That boy over the last. Incorrect. Yes. Poland, Monaco, no again. Okay, I think yes. No, I think it's a red and white. Now